Growing up, was it were you influenced by culture, mostly by culture, or you took both culture and the Western? Bangithi Western, ngifuna ukukhuluma ngesilungu.
Okay. Abantu abakhulele esilungweni ema-suburbsini kunezinto abazenzayo ezivele zikwenze kube obvious ukuthi akazayo emakhaya lo muntu akazazi izinto ezithile ezenziwe emakhaya.
I-culture, the way khona manje senza khona is because mhlombe sathi elalini bazathini.
Khona into engathi mhlambe kwesinye isizwe ayilona ihlazo kodwa emakhaya ihlazo akho pressure. For example, indlela yokugqoka mhlawumbe umuntu okhulele esilungene engagqoka nje noma yikanjani.
Exactly, fana nabo V khona manje V siyazi la kuma vlog akho lapha wena awufaki mawuse ekhaya awufaka ubhlukwe ufaka le amaphinifa mawuse emakhaya ufaka amaphinifa kodwa mona why is it that
hayibo ukuthi athwani sendivuntele Mall of Africa ngephinifa
ngokuphinifa yakho
ngijabona ipressure specific
ngokuphinifa yakho Mall of Africa
hayibo wena
kanjani akadakana yakho lophinifa
ungahamba ngefashioneme eMall of Africa.
Ndikuva kahle because njengoba thina sikhulele emakhaya sabe sesikhamba lenzawo isikhambe sifunza kuto na ufika phayana ubamba isidima sakwini ubamba isidima salenzawo usuka kuyo because na ufika res ugila imikhuba esingayadi into esikubuta yona oyi uphuma kwikhaya linjani ngokulo
sengise res now sengaqala ke manje ngiyayibuildela ke manje eyami identity sengiyayikhethela incwadi engiyifundayo sengiyayikhethela indlela engifuna ukuthi i-future yami ibe ngakhona sengiyayikhandela manje kodwa i-foundation enginayo ngisuka nayo le ekhaya.